Need to mark important information in a PDF? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Reader, customize your highlights, and manage them later. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader and load the PDF you want to edit. You can select Open File from the home screen or open your document directly from File Explorer. To highlight text, open the comment tools. Depending on your version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can find the comment option in the toolbar, the Tools menu, or the side panel. Click the Highlight tool, then click and drag your mouse over the text you want to mark. As soon as you release the mouse button, the selected text will be highlighted. If you'd like a different color, click the highlighted text and open the Properties or Color options. From there, choose the color that works best for your notes or study material. To remove a highlight, simply click it and press the Delete key, or right-click the highlight and choose Delete from the menu. So you can also edit the attached comment if you've added one. Once you've finished highlighting, click Save to keep your annotations. Your highlights will remain in the PDF and can be viewed again whenever you reopen the document. And that's how you highlight text in Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's a simple feature that makes reviewing documents, studying, and collaborating much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.